In Switzerland, real estate plays a key role in the wealth strategies of high net worth families. Family offices support these families in managing their assets, as well as addressing practical needs such as real estate and relocation. In this context, real estate becomes more than an asset. It is a strategic component combining performance, discretion, and quality of life. We identify high-quality investment opportunities, often off-market, tailored to the requirements of family offices and their clients. We manage renovation projects to enhance property value and meet the highest standards. We provide discreet and efficient property management, ensuring continuity and peace of mind. We support family offices at every stage with a bespoke and confidential approach. Geneva Lake Relocation, your real estate partner in Switzerland. For any collaboration or confidential inquiry, please feel free to contact us.